Which city is also known as the cultural capital of Assam? Jorhat, Guwahati, Shivsagar, Nagaon. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Jorhat. Next question. The first non-government college of Assam is Vishwanath College of Agriculture, Bholanath College, Dhuburi, Bojali College, Borpeta, JB College, Jorhat. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে JB College, Jorhat. Next question. When Majuli is formally declared as a district in Assam? September 2016, November 2016, January 2017, March 2017. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে September 2016. Next question. Which forest is single-handedly planted by Jadav Payeng? Bornodi forest, Molai forest, Borail forest, Dihing forest. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Molai forest. Next question. In which year Kaziranga was designed a reserve forest for the first time? 1902, 1906, 1908, 1912. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 1908. Next question. Which one district is declared as the first carbon-free district in Assam, also in India? Dhemaji, Majuli, NC Hills, Karbi Anglong. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Majuli. Next question. In which year Kaziranga has been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO? 1982, 1985, 1987, 1992. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 1985. Next question. Which place is known as the heart of the Assamese New Vaishnavite culture? Jorhat, Majuli, Borpeta, Shivsagar. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Majuli. Next question. According to the 2017 elephant census, total number of elephants in Assam is 4,581, 4,823, 5,276, 5,719. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 5,719. Next question. Which one was the capital of the Kosari Kingdom? Golaghat, Rangpur, Musalpur, Dimapur. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Dimapur. Next question. In which year Malladev Naranarayan acquired the title Narayan? 1508, 1521, 1540, 1548. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 1540. Next question. The Bodoland Territorial Council was established in the year 1998, 2001, 2002, 2003. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 2003. Next question. Which one district is not under the BTAD Council? Kokrajhar, Baksa, Goalpara, Udalguri. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Goalpara. Next question. By population, Assam is the dash largest state of India? 12th, 13th, 15th, 18th. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে 15th. Next question. Who was the first Assamese to receive Arjun Award? Holicharan Narjeri, Monalisa Borua, Bhugeshwar Borua, Dipankar Bhattacharjee. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে Bhugeshwar Borua. Next question. Number Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district? Sibsagar, Golaghat, Dibrugarh, Karbi Anglong. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে কাৰ্বি আংলং।